Hello students, welcome to Sure Success classes. In this session, we will learn important questions on Roman numerals. Our first question is, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for each Roman numerals. So let's start. First example is, the symbol is IX. Here the value of X, that is 10, it is greater than the value of I, that is 1. So we will subtract the value of I from the value of X. So we will get our answer 10 minus 1, that is 9. This 9 is represented in Roman number system by symbol IX. Next is symbol is XII. Here the value of X, that is 10, it is greater than the value of I, that is 1. But here I is coming next to X. So we will add the value of X, that is 10, in the value of I. We will get 10 plus 1 will get 12. So 12 can be represented by the symbol XII. Third example is XXXVII. Here when we read it, we come to know that this XXX, it comes 3 times, means 10 plus 10 plus 10 will get 30, and this VII represent the number 7. So we will add this 30 into 7. We will get 37. So 37 can be represented by symbol XXXVII. Fourth, the symbol given is XXVIII. Here again XX means 10 plus 10, we will get 20, and VII means 8. 20 plus 8, we will get 28. So 28 can be represented by the symbol XXVIII. Students, now we are going to learn interesting question about Roman numerals, that is, match the following. In column A, numbers are given, and in column B, the symbolic form of numbers is given. We have to match these numbers to their symbolic form. So without wasting time, we will go for it. First number is 18. 18 means 10 plus 8. For 10, the symbol is X. In all these, they are starting with the symbol X. And for 8, the symbol is VIII. In this option, X will be there, and VII means 10 plus 8. So match of this 18 is this symbol, that is XVIII. Then next is 37. When we read it, the number, that is 37, we come to know X will come 3 times. In this option, X is coming 3 times, and 7 can be represented by the symbol VII. So this is the correct match of 37. We will match them. Then 29. 29 means 2 times X and IX. In this symbol, 2 times X and 9 can be represented by the symbol IX. So we will match this 29 to this symbol. Then 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. The remaining symbol is XII. This symbol can be represent the number 12. So we will match it. In this way you can solve this type of questions. Let's move to next question. Put the correct sign greater than, less than or equal to. Here we have to put the sign greater than, less than or equal to in these boxes, and we have to determine which number is greater, which number is smaller, and whether both numbers are equal. So let's start. The number given is 13, and in symbolic form we will form this number in this way. The value of x is 10. 10 plus 1, 11, 12, 13 means the value of this symbol is also 13. Both value of both the places are equal, so here we will put equal to sign. Next is xii, which represent the value 10 plus 2, 12, and this symbol represent 1 less than the 10 means 9. 12 is always greater than 9, so here we will put, which sign we will put here? Yes, greater than. The next symbol is xxvi. Here this symbol represents the value x plus x means 20 and vi means 6, 26, and this symbol is representing the value, that is x plus x 20 and one number less than the 10 means 9. So this symbol represent the value 29. 26 is always less than 29, so this number is greater and this number is smaller. We will put less than small sign here. Next, the symbol is xx, means the value of this symbol is 20, and here x I x, again the value of this x is 10 and one number less than the value of x, that is 9, means the value of this symbol is 19 and value of this symbol is 20. 20 is always greater than 19, so here we will put greater than sign. In this way you can solve this type of questions. These type of questions may ask in competitive exams like Olympiad, NTS, so prepare them from competitive exam point of view. Students, such type of questions are little bit difficult, but I will try my level best to explain it in a simple manner. So let's start. Here the question is, write the Roman numerals before and after the given Roman numeral. Roman numeral are given here and we have to find out its predecessor and successor. The concept of predecessor and successor is well explained in my previous video. You can watch those videos. So let's start. In first example, the symbol is xx. Here it represents the value 20. The predecessor of 20 is 1 less than it, means 19, and we will write 19 in symbolic form in this way. 19 means 10 plus 9. 110, for 10 the symbol is x, and for 9 the symbol is ix. So we find out the predecessor. Now we will find out the successor. The successor of 20 is 1 more than the number, that is 21. So here we will add 1 in it. So the symbolic form of 21 is xx and 1 is represented by I. So the predecessor and successor of xx is xix and successor is xxi. Then in next example, the given symbol is ix. Ix means 1 less than the number. Here x represent the value 10 and I represent the value 1. We will minus this, subtract this 1 from 10, we will get 9. 10 minus 1 will get 9. And to find out its predecessor, we will again minus 1 from this 9. So here we will get 8. And the symbol for 8 is V, means 5 and 3 times I. 5, 6, 7, 8. It represents the number 8. The successor of 9 is 10 and the basic symbol for 10 is x. Then in next example, the symbol given is xxxiv. Here 3 times x means 30 and one number less than 5 means 4. 34. The predecessor of 34 is 33, means xxx. This 3 times x is remain as it is, and here we will put 3 times I. xxx 30 and this 3 33. And its successor means one more than the number. The successor of 34 is 35. It is represented by the symbol 30, and for the symbol, for the number 5, the symbol, basic symbol is V. Then in next example, the given symbol is xii. Here the value of x is 10. 10 plus these 2 means 12, and the predecessor of 12 is 11. 11 means 10 plus 1, 11, and the successor of 12 is 13. So here we will put this x as it is, its value is 10, and for 3 we will write I 3 times. In this way we can solve such type of example. Let's go for next question. Write the following as a Roman numerals. Here in question some clues are given and we have to write the answer in Roman numbers. First clue is number of days in a week. There are 7 days in a week, and Roman number for 7 is VII. Then number of days in the month of February of a leap year. We know in leap year, in the month of February there are 29 days. So 29 can be represented by XXIX. The number of hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. So 24 means XXIV. Number of teeth a normal adult has. Normal adult has 32 teeth. 32 means XXXII. Students, I would like to tell you one thing about this type of questions, that from this type of questions you can develop your logical thinking, which will be useful for competitive exams. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.